14 page 274. Cash book of Paresh shows bank balance of rupees 10,000 on 31/3/15. Underline cash book, underline balance. See here, cash books, bank balance. Where will we record? Debits. Did you understand this? So bank balance as per bank balance as per cash book in debit column 10,000. This balance does not tally with bank balance as per passbook. From the following information, prepare bank reconciliation statement for March 2015. Now, first reason, checks of 30,000 were deposited in bank during the month of March, out of which 16,000 were credited in bank on 2nd April. Bhavya?
Credit side.
What amount?
30,000 minus 16.
14,000 credit side. Mudra?
16,000.
Yes, 16 itself credit side. See, 16,000 is credited by bank on 2nd April. Means 16,000 is not credited by the bank in March. We deposited the checks of 30,000 in March, but bank has credited 16,000 on 2nd April. Date is also important. Means 16,000 itself is not credited in the month of March, so credit 16,000 in years. Did you understand this? See down all of your line, 16,000 credited on 2nd April, and on the right side write down not credited in March. Not credited in March. So credit 16,000 itself in years. Yes, if it was given, bank has credited 16,000 up to 31st March, then we would have recorded 14,000. Then we would have said out of 30, 16 is credited, 14 is not credited, so credit 14,000 in years. You understand? Dates are very important. Here, directly 16,000 will come on credit side. Checks deposited, but not yet collected by the bank. So 16,000 is not credited in passbook in the month of March, credited in DRS. Did everyone understand this? Anyone having any doubt in it? Next. Checks of 16,000 were drawn. Now see here it is given. Checks of 16,000 were drawn during the month of March, out of which check of 10,000 was presented for payment till 31st March. Now here we will take 10,000 or difference amount? Difference amount. So underline 10,000 till 31st March, and on the right side write down 6,000 not presented. So now we will record 6,000. Did you understand this? Now tell me, check is drawn. Drawn means issued. Is it a receipt or a payment? Payment. And not presented 6,000 in the bank. So in which book it is not recorded? Passbook. Payment and not recorded in passbook, so we will write on debit side. Okay. We have issued the check means credited in cash book, but not debited in passbook, so debit in DRS. Checks issued but not yet presented for payment So 6,000 is credited in cash book but not debited in passbook, so debit in DRS. Any confusions in this? Next. During the month of March, bank paid rupees 5,000 for personal income tax, but out of bank account of business, which is not recorded in cash book. Now, bank has finally paid from business account. So, is it a receipt or payment? Payment, and it is not recorded in cash book, so credit in DRS. Bank has paid from business account means in passbook bank has debited it, but it is not credited in cash book, so credit in BRS. Is everyone clear with this? So income tax paid by bank but not recorded in cash book. Income tax paid by bank but not recorded in cash book. $5,000 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited in BRS. Any confusions with this? All are clear with it? Next. On 31st March, bank has online credited 120 for interest and online debited 50 for bank charges which are not recorded in cash book. So two reasons will come for this. First one, now bank has credited 120, means 120 is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book, so debited BRS. Interest directly credited by the bank so 120 is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book, debited BRS. You can mark it as 4A because there are two reasons in this. Further explaining the other one, bank has debited 50 for bank charges, what will we do? We will record on credit side, right? $50 is debited in. You're not able to explain that also. 50 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited in BRS. I can understand from your expressions you are not attentive, that's why I'm asking you again and again. Okay, see that stars and moons are not visible. You're able to understand what is going on. Be attentive with concentration. Okay, scanning is not sufficient. With your mind, be attentive what is going on. Or if you are clear with this, bank charges of 50 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited in BRS. Bank charges directly debited by the bank. Bank charges directly debited by the bank. So 50 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, credited in BRS. Even if you write it as fourth and fifth reason, it is fine. Numbering of reasons is not relevant. Okay. Next. Check of 1650 received on 30th March is not deposited with the bank. Riya?
On credit side 165.
Correct. We read a check of 1650 received. So is it a receipt or payment? Receipt. And it is clearly given not deposited with the bank. If it is not deposited with the bank, in which book it is not recorded? Passbook. It is a receipt and not recorded in passbook. So where will we record? Credit side. Did everyone understand it? We received the check means we have debited in cash book, but it is not yet credited in passbook, so credited in BRS. Check received but not deposited in the bank. Check received but not deposited in the bank. So 1650 is debited in cash book but not credited in passbook, so credited in BRS. And also this. Next, Roshita. Debtor has directly deposited 680 in bank which is not recorded in cash book.
Debtor has directly deposited in the bank and amount 680 lakhs.
Correct. Now debtor has directly deposited in the bank means is it a receipt or a payment? Receipt. And directly deposited in the bank means it is not recorded in cash book. So receipt and not recorded in cash book means debit in BRS. Now if customer has directly deposited in the bank means it is credited in passbook, but it is not yet debited in cash book, so debit in BRS. So amount, customer directly deposited the amount in our bank account. Customer directly deposited the amount in our bank account. So 680 is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book, debit in BRS. Any confusion still here? All are clear with this? Next. Now this we have done earlier kind of a thing. Cash sales 2000 is recorded in cash book in bank column. Now understand this. We make cash book for which column? Earlier we had done anything with purchases. First of all tell me it is cash sales. We have received the money in cash. Will it come in passbook? We have received the money in cash, so it has nothing to do with the bank. Will it come in passbook? Means in passbook there will be no effect since it is cash sales. But in cash book now what mistake we have done? Cash sales means when you make 3 columns in cash book. Discount column, cash column, bank column. Then sales will come in cash book on debit side, 2 sales. But we should write the amount in which column? Cash column. But by mistake we have recorded the amount in bank column. Read it. Cash sales 2000 but recorded in cash book in bank column. So we have recorded in cash book on debit side in bank column. We have done a mistake. It should not have come in bank column, but we have recorded in cash book in bank column on debit side. Now what has happened? 2000 is debited in cash book but not credited in passbook. So credited BRS. Mistake is our bank has done no mistake. But from closing balance point of view, cash book's balance will not match with passbook. Because 2000 is debited in cash book but not credited in passbook. Did you understand this? Show these workings for the 7th one. Anyone who did not understand it? Okay, passbook will have no effect because it is a cash sale. Now if we compare the two books, then 2000 is coming in cash book, bank column on debit side, but it is not credited in passbook, so we have to credit in BRS. Reason will be cash sales wrongly recorded in cash book bank column. So 2000 is debited in cash book but not credited in passbook, so credit in BRS. Any doubt in this? All okay with this? Cash sales wrongly recorded in cash book bank column. Now this we have done several times earlier. 8-1. Raise your hand who is still writing the 7th. Bill of 3600 discounted in February 2015 was dishonored on maturity date during the month of March and bank has recorded the same in passbook including noting charges of 100 which is not recorded in cash book. Now what has happened for the 8th one? First of all tell me, when we discount the bill of 3600 with the bank, where will we record it? Cash book on debit side because we'll get the money. Receipt side will come and bank will directly deposit the money in our account, so it will come in passbook on credit side. This has already happened in February. Now in March the bill has dishonored. So what will bank do? Reverse. If it is dishonored, bank will know that first, bank will reverse it. And bank has reversed it along with noting charges of 100. Bank will pay whenever we have noting charges so that we can take the legal action. Now this 3,700 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited in DRS. Several times we have done this. Okay, show these 8 workings. All are clear with this? Reason will be bills discounted with the bank, dishonored, bills discounted with the bank, dishonored, but not recorded in cash book, along with noting charges. Okay, along with noting charges, so 3,700 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited DRS. Anyone who is not clear with this one, raise your hand. All are clear with this? Next. 600 received for dividend on shares is recorded in passbook but not recorded in cash book. So, Vidhi?
Debit.
Correct. 600 is received for dividend means it's a receipt and clearly given, not recorded in cash book. Receipt and not recorded in cash book, so we will debit in DRS. Okay, dividend is received means it will be received in the bank. So bank will credit in passbook. It is credited in passbook but not yet debited in cash book, so debit in DRS. Dividend directly collected by the bank. Dividend directly collected by the bank. So 600 is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book, so debit in DRS. Any confusions in it? All agree with it? And the last one. Okay. Bank has paid 4,500 for insurance premium as per instruction of Paresh, which is not recorded in cash book. Correct. So now, bank has paid means is it a receipt or a payment? Payment, and clearly given, not recorded in cash book, so credited in DRS. Bank has paid means bank has debited in passbook, but it is not yet credited in cash book, so credited in DRS. Insurance premium directly paid by the bank. Insurance premium directly paid by the bank. So 4,500 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited DRS. Any doubts with this? Credit is more. 16, 21, 22, 24, 27, 31, 32, 200, 800, 900, 32, 900. Right, 32, 900 on both the sides. Yes? Balancing amount? 15,500. Now we started with cash book, so we will end with passbook. Which side do we get the answer? Debit. What is passbook's debit? Overdraft. So bank overdraft as per passbook. Okay, answer will be bank overdraft as per passbook.